Lois Arlene Smith is an American character actress whose career spans 8 decades. She made her film debut in the 1955 drama film East of Eden and later played supporting roles in a number of movies, including 5 Easy Pieces, Resurrection, Fatal Attraction, Fried Green Tomatoes, How to Make an American Quilt, Dead Man Walking, Twister, Minority Report, The Nice Guys and Lady Bird. In 2017, Smith received critical acclaim for her leading performance in the science fiction drama film Marjorie Prime, for which she was nominated for an Independent Spirit Awards, Gotham Awards and Saturn Award, and well as one Satellite Award. Smith also has had many roles on television, both daytime and primetime. She was a regular cast member in the HBO horror drama True Blood, and well as received Critics' Choice Television Award for Best Guest Performer in a Drama Series nomination for The Americans. Smith also is known for her extensive work in the theater. A 3-time Tony Award nominee, Smith won the 2020 Tony Award for Best Featured Actress in a Play for her performance in The Inheritance, becoming the oldest performer to win a Tony Award for acting. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.